Hi, in this video what we're going to learn is how to print the multiple images in a single PDF file. So do so first I will locate the folder where the multiple images are saved on my system. So I go to the Windows web wallpaper folder. In a wallpaper I go to the flowers folder where all the multiple images can be found. So what I do is I'll select all, okay, doing a Control A. Once I say do a Control A, then I do a right click and click on the option print. Okay, as you see it's a print. Now once you click on print, it will open up the properties or the several options for printing. In the printer, first and foremost you have to choose the printer as Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, so that is the printer option you need to select. Then secondly, you need to enable or check the box fit picture to frame. So if I do check and uncheck here, see what is the difference here. See how the layout or the orientation of the images get changed, right? So I keep as it is, fit the picture to frame. Now in the third, in the left side or rather than the right side, you see the multiple layout. So you have to choose one of the layout for printing the images in a PDF. So you have a choice to choose any one. I keep as it is, that is a full page photo. Okay, the fourth option you to see is your paper size. So there are several paper size that can be that is listed here. So for it is recommended you keep as it is, that is A4 paper size. All right, then I do click on the print button here. Once I click print, it will prompt me to input the file name. We'll input the file name of whatever it is. Once I input the file name, then I have to click on save. So moment you click on save, the printing will start and it will print the images in the PDF. Okay, I minimize this. Now I locate the file on my desktop. As you see, it's a PDF file which is having a .pdf extension. I open it. By default, it has opened in the Microsoft Edge browser because I have selected to open the PDF file in the Edge browser. That is not an issue. You can have any PDF viewer and open the file. So as you see, the multiple images are printed in the single PDF. I do a right click properties. You can see it is a PDF file which is indicated as a PDF document. If you find this video useful and helpful, do give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.